Hey friends, have you ever wanted to make your own animated GIFs for your chats or social media? Well, I found the easiest way to do it using Canva, and it's a total game changer whether you want to create something fun for your stories or add a little flair to your posts. Canva makes it super easy and simple, no need for fancy software. Just follow a few easy steps and you'll have your own personalized GIFs in no time. Let me show you how. It's seriously that easy. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video. I hope everything's doing well firstly, and in today's video I will show you the step by step how to create a GIF using canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. Firstly, let's know what is Canva. Okay, so Canva is basically like this super easy online design tool where you can create all kinds of cool stuff like social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. It's perfect for anyone, even if you don't have a background in design. Now, here is the fun part on Canva. You can also make animated GIFs with it. It's super simple and easy. You have just to pick a design, add some animations, and boom, you have got your very own GIF to share with friends. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. So let's get started. All I have to do right now is just come back to the top right. You'll find two buttons, one of sign up and one of login. You have just to write your information or your personal information and you get started by finding these pages. You can see I already have an account, that's why we don't have this button of signing up and log in. I will just click over here the profile, they will click over home and you'll find our page, which is this one. As you can see right now, all I have to do is just search for GIF, or you can just click over the create a design and you click over custom size and you select your size, such as with the height, the units as well. And here we have it. If it's inches, millimeters, or centimeters as well, and then you click over create design and you get started with this one. Or you can choose the other option, which is this one. I will just search for GIF and then I will click over enter and let's searching for it. So here we have these templates. As you can see, you can just click over see all and you'll find here 893 templates, as you can see. And here we have filters, categories, and medias. I will just click over all filters and I will select here the category that's related to my template. I will select, for example, visit business. We have here such as document, presentations, mind map, and we have other things. Also, we have here social media. If it's related to Instagram posts, Instagram reels, or also we have education if it's topic, grade, or resource type, video as well. If it's video, mobile videos, video message videos here, and Facebook videos, feed ad videos as well. If it's also marketing, business card, flyers, logos. Also we have products such as documents in the office, photos and gifts and other things. Also we have cards and invitations related to invitations, cards, postcards, and also we have the other options in print products such as document and office. If you click over it, you'll find the various things, also photos and gifts. So you can just choose the one you want. Also we have here the style. I will just click over here for one style, theme, language, which feature and which grade and which subject and which topic. Then if you want the free one or the pro one. About the color, I will select the white one because I like it. And then I will click over apply and you'll find these templates. As you can see right now, you have just to select the one you want after choosing the template or the category that you want. Right, so it's just clicking over this one and then I will click over customize this template and you'll find a page, which is this one. As you can see, it's the template for designing. And let's get started. Right now I will just delete firstly this one because I don't like it, that's why. And also this one I will just skip the first one, and also I will delete some things and I will just skip the background. As you can see, I will delete the frame and then I will just delete here this one. As you can see, here we have it. All right, so here we have the background, how it looks, and here we have this one. As you can see, it's clean. And let's get started right now by clicking over elements and let's searching for birthday. Here we have it. Right now I will just go to the videos, of course, and I will select, for example, this one. I think it's better. Let's just modify in here this one about the size. That's what I'm doing right now. Also here, and also here. Alright, and here we have how it looks right now. And I will just add a text right now. I will click over here at hidden. I'll put it in the top, in the middle exactly. Or let's just put it in here like that. And I will just double click and I will select the color. It's one which is white. I think it's better. Happy birthday, like that. Happy birthday. Alright, so right now I will just add other things. For example, let's just go ahead elements and let's searching for graphics right now. And here we have logos. For example, I was like this one, I like it. I'll put it here in the top. I think this one it's better. I will put it in the top. Modify also the size of this one, as you can see. Put it in the middle. Here we have it right now, and I will just add other things such as here. Let's just add in other options or other things. For example, what we have here, for example, this one, and I will put it here, as you can see. Then I will add other things. Just scroll down, and we have also here this one. I will put it here down, and let's just add it other things such as, for example, this one, or you can add this one as well. Modify the size, and you'll put it here, as you can see. And here we have our sticker or our GIF, as you can see. All right, so right now we have just to click over here to see your GIF, how it looks. And we have it right now. Also, you can just go to the uploads and you upload whatever you want. And also, if you want to record yourself, you click over here and you start recording yourself by clicking over allow, and you add your voiceover on the GIF. Right, you have just right now. If you're done after clicking record and you click over done, once you're done, and here we have it. So we use here the option of OBS recording. We will click over down and we'll click here in the top right, save and exit, or you can just click over in the top left, exit the studio without saving, or save and exit if you want, right? So also we have other options such as drawing, project, applications, QR code, and we have here elements, text, and design. And here we have how it looks with Canva and how you can create your GIF using Canva. So whether you are looking to add some personality to your texts, spice up your social media, or just have fun with design, Canva makes creating GIFs super simple and accessible. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.